Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be going over, is buying a $400 PC worth it or not? If this is your first time here, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and check out the playlist below for all my videos on how to edit and how to grow on YouTube. With that said, let's get into the video. So there are a lot of pros and cons in buying a $400 PC. Right now I'm going to be going over the cons of buying a $400 PC and why you shouldn't buy it. So first of all, it is very bad for your paying. So if you're paying $400 for, say, Intel Xeon, like a Xeon processor, I'm going to put an image up, like a desktop that has one. And so they aren't the most high-end processors, but they're still not very bad. But you could get a lot more performance out of your money if you go for a higher end PC, and that's just one of the cons. Another one is that it is not very high tech. It won't be able to run very many games like Fortnite. I personally have an Intel Xeon and it doesn't run Fortnite very well, and I'm saving up to buy a new PC. But yeah, so those are a few of the cons. I'm gonna go over a few more if I think of them, but if I can't think of any more, then I'm gonna be going into the pros. So I will be right back. I thought of another way that it is a bad thing to buy a $400 PC is if you really care about the looks. Buying a $400 PC that is pre-built is a bad idea, because unless it comes with a black or tempered glass case, it's not gonna be very good. It might just be a metal case that doesn't really look all that great and doesn't have the best fans either, so that's another con. But now we're going to go into the pros. So some of the cons of this, of buying a more than $400 PC, I'd say like $600, $700 PC, is also the performance. The performance would be much higher on a higher end PC because there'll be better graphics cards, maybe better CPU, or maybe an SSD. You're probably not going to get an SSD in a $400 PC unless you know how to build a PC and you can mod it with your own stuff. But I'm assuming that you don't know how to build a PC if you're buying a pre-built. But anyway, you'll get way more performance, and you'll be able to play a lot more games and be able to be better at a game because the graphics will look better and you will get more frames. So, and also the looks. Usually you get a tempered glass system or a case with more than probably $600 PC, because it's just really high end and they just want to make sure that it appeals to you so that you buy it. If I think of another pro, I will list it here, but if I don't, let's wrap up the video. Also, another pro is that it'll last a lot longer than a $400 PC. So a $400 PC might break down or just get slower over time, but with a better hardware, the hardware will last a lot longer since it's newer, and people have research stuff that makes it last longer and everything. So it's just better to buy a higher end PC. So let's wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Check out the videos on screen now. Make sure to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys later.